If your push-up looks like a belly flop in slow motion, I was once there. I've been following CaliMove for years now. Go ahead and check out their tutorials. They're world class. But today you're getting Dad Life version, 5 quick steps to fix your form, build real strength, and stop doing those worm push-ups. Let's go.
Your neck. Don't crane your neck. Keep your chin tucked so your spine stays neutral. Your hands. There's no single perfect hand placement. Wide equals more outer chest. Closed equals inner chest plus triceps. Personally, I just like a little wider than shoulder width. Your elbows. Don't flare them out 90 degrees. That puts stress on your shoulders. Keep them around 45 degrees to your body. Your shoulders. Don't shrug your shoulders. Keep them down and back so your chest does the work. Your body. This is the most important part. Move your body as one unit, straight as a board. Abs tight, glutes squeezed, legs straight. You know you're not ready for full push-ups if 1. You can't lower all the way down. 2. You can't push off the ground. 3. You can't keep your body straight. That's okay. Remember, we're just aiming for 1% better every day. Regressions. 1. Knee push-ups. Easier to keep your body straight. 2. Incline push-ups. Less weight on your chest. 3. Negatives. Lower yourself down slowly with control. Progressions. Once you've mastered the basics and regressions, start experimenting with flat ground variations. 1. Decline push-ups. 2. Archer push-ups. 3. One-hand push-ups. 4. Military push-ups. 5. Diamond push-ups. 6. Wide grip push-ups. 7. Explosive push-ups. Each one challenges your chest, shoulders, and triceps in a different way, and it keeps training fun instead of repetitive.
Then when you're ready for a serious step up, that's when it makes sense to grab some equipment. These parallettes let you train deeper for a better range of motion, and the rings will add a whole new level of stability challenge. Right now I'm doing archer push-ups on the rings. I can't even hit more than 5. Trust me when I say these will humble you real quick. So that's my quick and dirty push-up breakdown from beginner all the way to intermediate. If you like the video, please drop a like, hit subscribe, check out my day 1 rows and my day 2 face pulls of my 15-minute workout series. I'll see you in the next workout. Let's go.
You know I got it. I pull up, I come around, make my rounds, it's my town. You know I got it. Hey. When I'm round, they now, what's up now? This touchdown, like, hey, niggas from city be hating.